Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and I tell you what, you can't beat the beachfront right now. In fact, this was just, I think last week maybe, one morning, early day, I drove down the beach and it was spectacular. And Thanksgiving's coming up, and that's what we're going to talk a little bit about today. Myself, Team Bolivar, area businesses, your family, everyone invites you down to enjoy your beach, 27 miles of beachfront for Thanksgiving weekend. For a lot of people, it's a 3 or 4 day weekend, 4 or 5 day weekend. And so, what better time to get away with family and friends than come down and enjoy the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula for Thanksgiving weekend? And go ahead and start making plans for Christmas too, because before you know it, it'll be here. And that week between Christmas and New Year's, why not spend a Texas Christmas beachfront and then enjoy New Year's Eve here on the upper Texas coast, where hopefully there's no burn bans and fireworks will light up the sky. But Thanksgiving weekend's a big weekend down here. And in fact, every weekend's a big weekend down here. We have family-owned restaurants. We have shops and stores. And remember, the Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend on Bolivar Peninsula is the Bolivar Christmas Market. So you don't have to worry about where you're going to do your Black Friday shopping. You can do it here in Crystal Beach, Texas. And Saturday, you can hit the Bolivar Christmas Market. And it's a great day down here, but one of the things you're going to need when you want to get around, whether you're cruising the beach, maybe cruising to the store, maybe cruising to one of the area restaurants, is a golf cart, and you can get that through West Canal Beach Buggies. In fact, you don't even have to go by there. Call them, go to their website at westcanalbeachbuggies.com. Reserve your cart for Thanksgiving weekend. Go ahead and reserve it for Christmas, or maybe that week between Christmas and New Year's. But enjoy the upper Texas coast and cruising with a West Canal Beach Buggies golf cart. You know, even if you can't make it down anytime, you can go to our website at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com, or maybe you're planning a trip this fall. Get information on area events, live music, and area businesses. Go ahead and plan from Texas history up at Fort Travis to fresh seafood dinners and sunsets over East Galveston Bay. Maybe you eat lunch at Jose's. Maybe you eat dinner at Stingery. Maybe you go see a live concert at Margaritaville or Stingery Restaurant. But we've got a lot going on down here and a lot to do. And so Team Bolivar, myself, and the area businesses invite you down to the upper Texas coast for Thanksgiving weekend. Just imagine, that could be you strolling on the beach, got you a basket, picking up a few shells, picking up some shark's teeth, and just enjoying that coastal breeze. Cool mornings, warm afternoons, cool evenings, a little campfire on the beach, making some s'mores, maybe grilling some burgers or steaks with family and friends. But get ready, it's almost the holiday season on Bolivar Peninsula, and what better way to spend your holidays than on the upper Texas coast, feeling the sand between your toes. A Texas beach Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's Eve. Well, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Go ahead and make plans, and if you need any ideas, feel free to give us a call here at the Tourism Center, or check out our website where you can see Bolivar Live anytime through our live webcams. Get information on Texas history on Bolivar. Maybe go ahead and plan where you're going to eat at an area restaurant. Look for our events and our live music and see who's playing where and when. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and we'll see you for the holiday season in 2025. Thanksgiving weekend, Christmas holidays or New Year's Eve bringing in 2026. God bless and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.